Welcome to the personal property tour for 7 Ewing Place in Leven. This is a spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property. You've got open plan lounge dining space, you've got master ensuite, you've got a good sized family bathroom and a downstairs WC. You've also got off-street parking for 2 cars. This is in a great location as well. I'm just going to flip the camera and take you on the tour. So this is the property here. So it's number 7 Ewing Place. As you can see, you've got this lovely green belt area to the start, and then you've got your garden area to the front. You've got a driveway to the side as well. You're easily fitting 2 cars in that driveway, and you have a gate access to the rear garden there too. Location wise though, you could not get better. So literally the roundabout just here, that's at Diageo. So you can walk to Diageo, no problem whatsoever. Follow the corner this side and you're walking to Cameron Bridge train station. You're there in a few minutes. So it's a great location if you want to work and live in the space. This is the property. Isn't it lovely? It's in a nice part of the estate as well. I'm going to take you on the tour. So we're heading up, as you can see. You've got your driveway there where you've got your space for your vehicles. And we're going to head straight on into the entrance hallway. Just a lovely spacious entrance hallway, as you can see. Nice and bright. You've got double wardrobes here too, which is fantastic. There's really good cycling routes and walking routes here, so actually coming straight in your front door and being able to offload your kids' things and your walking gear in there is great. We're going to head upstairs. On this level we've got 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. And we're going to start with the master bedroom, which is straight ahead. I love all the doors. Really nice, isn't it? And you're coming into your master bedroom, so it's a good size double room. Plenty of space in here, as you can see. And it overlooks the rear garden too, so nice and quiet. Lovely, isn't it? You've also got built-in wardrobes as well, so you've got double wardrobe there. It's a good size double. And you've got a master ensuite too. This is a good size for a master ensuite. So you've got your WC, you've got your wash hand basin. I love the tiling, really nice. And you've got a good size shower in here as well. You've got an electric shower there. Again, the tiling all the way around is really nice, isn't it? And that's your master ensuite. So again, good size double, isn't it? And then from here we go back out into the hallway, and you can see you've got access to your attic space as well, but again really nice and airy and open up here. And then we're going to go further down the hallway. On this side you've got bedroom number 2, so again a great size double room. This one overlooks the front, and again you've got built-in double wardrobes there as well, so plenty of storage. Really nice sized room, isn't it, for a second room. That's bedroom number 2. And then straight ahead you've got storage. That's one thing this property has, is you've got quite a bit of storage. And then we're going to bedroom number 3. So again, it's a good sized room, great for a children's room, perhaps a home office, maybe a studio, study area. This one overlooks the front of the property as well, but again, good sized space. And you go back out into your hallway, which again, it's really open, isn't it? Feels nice and light and airy. Straight ahead, you've got your family bathroom. So into your family bathroom, you can see you've got your bath, you've got your thermostatic shower with rainfall shower head, you've got your wash hand basin and your WC, and again the tiling comes into here as well. Really nice, isn't it? It's a good space. Perfect considering that's for your family. You've got one already in the ensuite, which is great. So we're going to head downstairs now, and you can just see how open it is here. Really nice and airy and spacious. And we're going to head into the lounge. Again, I love the finish with the doors. Coming into the lounge, so it's a nice sized room. So good sized lounge area. I'll just head over here. And this one overlooks the front, so it's nice and bright with that double window as well. Really nice sized room. If I head down here, you can see it's a good size. That's your lounge area. So we'll head back out into the hallway. And then off of here you've got further storage in this cupboard here as well, which is fab for downstairs for coats, etc. Then you've got your WC too. So this is a great size WC. Isn't it spacious? So you've got your wash hand basin, your WC, and again the tiling coming through in here as well. But again, great sized room. Kids are playing in the garden, coming in from the kitchen. they can just jump right in there. Kitchen straight ahead. This is a good size room. I love the cream units in the worktop. Really nice and spacious. You've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your oven, your hob and your extractor. Plenty of room for freestanding fridge, freezer. You've also got room for your washing machine. But look at the size of the dining area. You could easily get an American style fridge freezer in here. Plenty of space for a nice size family table as well. And it overlooks the garden too, so if the kids are out playing, it really is a great space. Nice size room, eh? But you're easily fitting a good sized table in there. And then we head out into the garden. So I'll take you out into the garden area. So nice and enclosed. Lovely and bright, isn't it? You hear the birds tweeting. So if we come round to the side, you've got your bin store area over here. This is your gate access to the side as well. Lovely and sunny, isn't it? So you've got a nice sized patio area up here. So good entertaining space, safe place for your children to be playing as well. And then you've got a lower part to the garden as well. So down here you've got a good area. Perhaps you could put grass there, maybe grow fruit and vegetables. You've got a space where you can put some storage, maybe a shed, etc. They've clearly been barbecuing down this area. They've got fire pits, etc. It's a nice enclosed space. It's in a good location as well, isn't it? And that's your garden space. So just to recap, this is the personal property tour for 7 Ewing Place in Leven. I think you'll agree it's in a great location. As I said earlier, you've got Diageo literally on your doorstep. So if you're working in this area and you want to work and live in the same space, that's fantastic. Otherwise, if you're a traveller, fantastic as well, because you've got Cameron Bridge train station, you can literally walk to that. You're just a short drive, you're down to Leven Glen, beautiful nature walk there. Further on, you're into Silverburn. You're heading into Leven, you can drive to Leven in 5 minutes. You've got the high street, you've got the promenade, you've got the beach, you've got the golf courses, you've got the swimming pool. You've got everything really on your doorstep. The high street's got some great bars and restaurants coming as well, which is fantastic news for everyone. But it's in a great location. If you don't want to travel from here, literally at Leven as well, you've got that additional train station that's taking you through to Edinburgh and beyond. So commuter-wise, it's really in a great space. So much to do. There's lots of walking, cycling paths literally on your doorstep as well. So really good lifestyle that you're getting with this property. This is Personal Property Tour. If you feel that this is one that's of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at 5 Properties 3. Take care. Bye bye.